equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your Dyson tube. Start by unplugging your Dyson from the power source to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the tube. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the handle to expose the internal components. Be cautious here, as there may be small parts that can easily fall out. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now, with the handle open, locate the button mechanism. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it out gently. Take note of how the button is positioned, as this will be important for reassembly. If you notice any dirt or debris inside, use a soft cloth or a brush to clean the area thoroughly. Keeping your Dyson clean will help maintain its performance. Next, take your new button and align it with the mechanism. Ensure it fits snugly into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your Dyson repaired without any hassle. Once the new button is in place, it's time to reassemble the handle. Carefully align the two halves of the handle and press them together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the handle, give it a gentle test to ensure the button functions correctly. If everything seems in order, you can plug your Dyson back in and give it a go. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Finally, remember to keep your tools and any spare parts organized for future repairs. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your Dyson, and knowing how to perform simple repairs can save you time and money in the long run. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functional button on your Dyson tube. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us. We are here to help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.